Yo, what's going on, fishing friends? It's your boy Dan the Fishman. Hey, we're back at it again. You already know, guys. I'm out here at Tierra Verde Bridge. I was looking for pompano. I was looking for different species of fish, and I was cruising around Tampa Bay. I pulled up to the bridge. Wouldn't you know it, my boy Bush from Fish On Channel is here, man. So I was super excited. He let me fish with him today. Can't wait to share the video with you guys. It's gonna be epic. And I want to say a big shout out to Bush. Thank you so much, bro, for putting me on, man. You are the man, and I appreciate you. You inspire me and others to get up, get out, and go fishing. So thank you so much, bro, and thank you for letting me share the rock wall with you today, my man. So, hey guys, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up. If you haven't already, hit the sub button. Let's catch some fish, guys. Let's go. All right, guys, Bush came through. He got the bait for us, so we're gonna we're about to get hooked up. If I don't fall first. You gotta find the rocks that don't move. Yeah, shoes are key, man. No, I got shoes, man. I keep the flip-flops in the truck for when I'm done. Dude, I'm a big guy. I'm not very, oh yeah, we're getting hits. We're good. We're good, oh yeah. Yes, sir. All right, guys. Bush came through with the bait.
First cast, huh?
Hey, my man.
Wow.
I'm trying to keep up with you, bro. I gotta get in here before you get in there.
First bait in the water.
Let's go.
Because we run out fast. Crazy bite earlier. They're in the 10, 10.5. I only have one, like almost 14. But that's all on the big one. So let's try to get the one now. What's that, like 10, 10.5?
Yeah, it's probably 10. We're gonna let him go. We'll go for the big ones.
Good job, man.
Thanks, Bush. Thank you for putting me on, man.
Let's get them.
Yes, sir.
So yeah, we're ready now.
Nice. Chris.
Oh yeah.
They're biting. Nice, man. That's 8 or 9. All right, so at least we know they'll bite on the mullet. I ended up over here at Tierra Verde, ran into bush, so I'm over here with Fish On Channel, and we're getting into some snapper. So see ya. I got one.
Oh,
not a good one. Bush is on. Nice, snappy. There you go.
right?
Yeah, oh yeah, easy. Nice work. I like those oranger colored ones, man. They're beautiful. Yeah, yeah. Nice job. Whoa. No, I lost him.
You lost him?
Dude, he's gone.
He's gone?
Yeah.
Oh no. Charlie's good. I had my take there.
I got him.
You got it? Yeah, that almost lost me. It's going under this rock. That's a good size too.
Oh, come on. Oh.
You mind give me one of those one-out hooks, man?
Yeah, yeah, I got you, bro. I got you.
This is kind of...
Yeah, of course. Oh, he's 11 all day.
Yeah, yeah. No, you can tell. Just wanted to see where he was.
Yeah, he's 11 all day.
Keeper right there.
All right. Oh yeah.
Like fishing on the pool, right?
Oh yeah, that's it. Nice.
Man, they're just there.
Look at this guy. That's pretty cool. Doubled up, baby. Doubled. Woo!
How big is that?
He's heavy. He's probably 10. He's heavy.
One. Oh, yours is. Oh yeah, yours is a keeper. Yours is 11. Mine is like 10.
Yeah, I think this one's coming home.
That goes home.
I think Catch, Clean, and Cook's coming, Bush.
Right. Another short one, so I like it still. Yeah, I think that's there.
Oh
On the
yeah.
edge of 11, I think.
Oh yeah. He's fat too. He's heavy.
Nice. Mohara for big snapper, guys. Let me go back with the big Mohara and see if I can catch another feather.
Oh yeah, he's 11 all day.
Yeah. You can see it. You can see right away. When
Yep.
the snapper isn't keeping it.
All right, let's go. Let's get another one. Yeah.
Nice.
We're getting into a pattern here, guys.
Hey, we find it.
Yes, sir. Nice.
Short, but even 10 and a half.
Oh yeah. They're beautiful.
All there. All 10 and a half.
Beautiful.
Good, huh?
That's a nice one.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I just missed one too. Yeah, nah. He's shorty. He might be just 10, but he's gonna live another day. Yes. He's fat though, honestly. Yeah, if this is the beginning, we're gonna have a good grade of snapper this summer.
Oh yeah, especially this spot here.
Yep. I think my drag is just loose. Yeah. It's a decent one though. I switched to this rod and I didn't check the drag.
So, Alex got a really nice 60 inches. Oh, nice. Oh, yeah. That's all I know. I put it on my cooler.
Stone crab.
He's called
This rod is like a wet noodle. Hey, they're still there.
Oh yeah.
Awesome. Yeah, guys, they are still here. I got one more bait and then we're gonna start jigging.
You can hear us.
Yeah.
Like bait.
Yeah, it's gone. No, it's still there. It's still there.
take again, I think. Load them more.
Ah, second time. Let's see if third time's the charm.
Oh yeah, the guy was even came there on the other side, he was pulling up the I think it was yeah. I seen them, I thought they were touching. But now that I think they were outside.
That's it. It's over. Wipe me clean. All right, I'm gonna start jigging.
Yeah, man.
I'm gonna get jig.
Two days out of the week?
Every day I'm off, I fish. And sometimes like I get off work pretty early, so I'll go out after I get off. Like I get off work at like 1 or 2 o'clock sometimes, so I'll go. You know, I don't do a lot of night fishing just because I like to be home with the family.
Yeah, I don't like
I like to sleep at nighttime, you know.
baby. It's a small one, but hey, it's tired, right?
All right, guys, push is on.
Something small. Not the perch. Yeah,
I think it's cool catching that kind of stuff with the pompano jig. Like that thing's it's almost bigger. Yep, called it.
Everything. You know people eat those?
They're delicious. The big ones offshore, yeah. You get the big ones offshore, you either drop them down for grouper bait or you fillet them.
We do that on Skyway. We drop it. That's a big.
All right.
Hey, look at that. That's a nice pump. Now there's that one. Oh, he's running. You got him on the side. That's why he's on the side. Oh,
Oh.
He might be the keeper. You got him on the side. Man, you are almost there.
Woo! Hey, it was fun. Yes, sir. Let's get another one. All right, guys. That concludes the video for today. Had an awesome day with Bush. Super grateful for him just fishing with me. He didn't have to do any of that stuff. He could have just kept on fishing, but he actually stopped me and told me to come on over and fish with him, and I appreciate that, man. He's such a cool guy. You know, it's one thing when you see, you know, one of your favorite YouTubers and stuff, and you see them on the camera, and it's one thing, but when you actually meet these guys and they're cool people and down to earth, it really is, it's nice to see, man. So thank you, Bush. I appreciate you, brother. You really made my day, made my week. So anyway, guys, here is the catch. Oh, I gotta take the lid off. Here's the catch. Some nice snappy snaps. 11 and a half. 11 and a half. We're gonna make some nice dinner with those. Not sure what I'm gonna do. I'll probably do a catch and cook for you guys. But thanks again, guys. Thanks for coming along with me. I appreciate everyone's support. Things seem to be going really well. I'm pushing for 500 subs, so if you haven't, hit that subscribe button. Hit the like button if you like this video. And until next time, guys, tight lines.